Hello friends, it's Tiffany with Rattle the Stars Studio, and today we're getting a little costumey. So Kiki's Delivery Service is one of my favorites of the Ghibli movies, and I don't know why I haven't done a Kiki cosplay before, but I figured in quarantine, with fabric that works for it in my stash, it was time to just bust it out. Who knows what's happening with Halloween this year? And so I figured if I was gonna dress up, it should be something super comfy, that's super chill to be in my house, maybe on a Zoom call in. So voila, Kiki it is. So let's get on into the making of. Okay, so to make Kiki's dress, I am going to be using New Look 6299 View D right here. I absolutely adore this pattern as just a basic dress. It doesn't work for absolutely everything because it does have these like princess side seams, but it's a really great base pattern for just a simple dress. It has long sleeves, it has a collar, it's a zipper back. It's just really easy to work with. So we're going to work with this. I use this pattern all the time, so I already have it traced out to my size, so we can get right to cutting. We are going to be using a sports weight twill in navy, mostly because that's what I already have in my stash. It will make it a sturdier dress, which I think makes sense for Kiki's. It doesn't flow about like a crazy amount, but it does do a little bit. So this will still move a little, but it'll be stiffer. And I'm really looking forward to it. So let's get to the cutting table and sewing. So that's it, friends. Kiki is done. If you make a Kiki costume, please comment, let me know. I would love to see anything that you make using the sort of tutorials that are my videos. I don't know. So yeah. Anyways, if you want more super fun video content, hit that subscribe button. Click the little bell to get notified of every new video I post every week. So, thank you for watching. You can follow me on other social medias. Please come back for another video, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye.